Have you ever wondered what it would be like to earn money while you sleep? It's an enticing thought, isn't it? One that speaks to a level of financial freedom many of us dream about. But this isn't a far-fetched fantasy. It's a reality that can be achieved through the power of passive income. So, what exactly is passive income? Well, it's income that doesn't require active labor or effort on your part. It's the money that keeps coming in, whether you're working, sleeping, or sipping a margarita on a beach somewhere. It's rental revenue from properties you own, dividends from investments you've made, royalties from a book you've written, or income from a business where you're not actively involved. This is fundamentally different from active income. Active income is the paycheck you get from your 9-to-5 job. It's the hourly wage you earn, the salary you take home. It's money that requires your time, your effort, your sweat. It's the income that stops when you do. But with passive income, the financial treadmill slows down. You're no longer trading hours for dollars. Instead, you're leveraging assets, whether they're physical properties, investments, or intellectual properties, to keep the money flowing in. This creates a sense of financial freedom, as it loosens the tight link between your time and your income. Now, don't get me wrong. Generating passive income isn't about getting rich quick or avoiding hard work. Quite the opposite. It often requires significant upfront effort, financial investment, and patience. But once these income streams are established, they can provide a steady flow of revenue without the constant hustle. Ultimately, passive income is about creating multiple streams of revenue that work for you, even when you're not working. It's about building a financial safety net that's not solely dependent on your active labor. It's about claiming back your time while still maintaining or even increasing your income. Imagine a life where your income doesn't stop when you do. That's the power of passive income. That's the freedom it can offer, and that's what we're going to delve into in this series. So brace yourself for a journey into financial freedom, one passive income stream at a time. Why should you consider building passive income streams? Well, the answer lies in the pursuit of financial stability and independence. Imagine a life where your income isn't solely tied to the hours you clock in at your job. Instead, you have a steady stream of revenue trickling in from various sources, even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Passive income is not a luxury. It's a necessity in today's fast-paced world. It's about having control over your financial destiny and the freedom to choose how you spend your time. It's about breaking free from the conventional 9-to-5 grind and designing a life that aligns with your personal goals and passions. Creating multiple streams of passive income can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. It's akin to planting seeds of financial resilience that can grow into a lush garden of wealth. These seeds can weather economic storms, providing a safety net when you need it the most. But it's not just about the money. It's about the lifestyle that passive income affords. It's about having the time and freedom to pursue your passions, to travel, to spend time with loved ones, or to simply relax and enjoy life's little pleasures without the constant worry of making ends meet. The beauty of passive income is that it can start small and grow over time. Whether it's investing in stocks, starting a blog, or renting out property, each passive income stream contributes to your financial portfolio and brings you one step closer to financial independence. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable wealth over time. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're not living paycheck to paycheck. It's about having the financial freedom to make choices based on what you want, not what you need. Passive income allows you to work smarter, not harder. It's a journey of financial empowerment, a journey well worth embarking on. So, are you ready to take the first step? So, how does passive income actually work? Well, let's delve into it. Passive income, in its simplest form, is money earned with minimal to no daily effort. It's about creating systems that generate income with an upfront investment of time, money, or both. Once these systems are in place, they continue to generate income without requiring much, if any, additional effort. Let's consider a few examples. First up, rental income. Say you own a property that you rent out. The rent you receive each month is passive income. You've put in the initial effort and investment to purchase the property, and now it's paying you back. Of course, there might be some ongoing maintenance, but the regular income stream requires little to no daily effort on your part. Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. When you invest in a company's stock, you become a partial owner of that company. Some companies distribute a portion of their profits back to their investors in the form of dividends. Once you've made the initial investment to purchase the stock, You can sit back and wait for your dividends to roll in. And then we have online businesses. These could range from selling products on an e-commerce platform, running a blog with ad revenue, to creating a popular YouTube channel. The initial effort is in setting up and promoting the business. But once it's up and running, and you've got a good system in place, it can generate income while you sleep. Remember though that while passive income can seem like an easy way to make money, it does require an initial investment. This could be a financial investment, like buying a property or stocks, or an investment of time and effort, like setting up an online business. But once that's done, these income streams can provide a steady flow of cash with minimal ongoing effort. In conclusion, passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic and smart way to diversify your income streams and build wealth over time. Passive income may require an upfront investment, but the payoff is worth the effort. Is passive income all sunshine and rainbows? Let's be honest here. The journey to creating passive income streams is often painted with a rosy brush, but the reality is, it's not always a smooth ride. It's important to know and understand the challenges that come with generating passive income. So let's dive right in. One of the biggest hurdles is the need for initial capital. Whether you're investing in stocks, buying real estate, or starting a business, you'll need some money to get things rolling. And that's not always easy to come by. It's a common misconception that passive income requires no effort. In truth, it often requires a significant upfront investment, both in terms of time and money. Another challenge is the risk of failure. Just like any other venture, passive income strategies are not foolproof. Investments can go south, businesses can flop, and markets can crash. There's always a certain degree of risk involved. It's crucial to do your due diligence, understand the risks, and be prepared for potential losses. And let's not forget about the patience required. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy. It can take months, even years, to start seeing significant returns. There will be times when progress seems slow, when your patience is tested to its limits. But remember, the tortoise won the race, not the hare. Let's also acknowledge the learning curve. You'll need to educate yourself about financial markets, business strategies, or any other area you're venturing into. This takes time and effort. It may even require you to step out of your comfort zone and learn new skills. So, is passive income all sunshine and rainbows? Certainly not. It's a journey fraught with challenges and potential pitfalls. But it's also a journey that can lead to financial freedom and a life less dependent on a 9-to-5 grind. Passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building wealth slowly and steadily, embracing the challenges along the way, and pushing forward with determination and resilience. What should you remember about passive income? Let's recap the key points we've explored today. Passive income, often described as the golden goose of personal finance, is a powerful strategy to boost your finances beyond the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. It's the income you earn with little to no effort on your part, after the initial work has been done. This can come from various sources like investments, rental properties, or even royalties from a book you've written. The importance of passive income cannot be overstated. It's not just about making more money, it's about achieving financial freedom. It's about having the liberty to follow your passions, spend time with your family, or simply enjoy life without constantly worrying about your next paycheck. It's about having the security of knowing that you have multiple streams of revenue, which can serve as a safety net during unexpected situations. How does passive income work? It's all about making your money work for you. The initial investment, whether it's time, money, or both, is followed by a period of little to no daily active involvement. It's the beauty of setting up a system that continues to generate revenue even when you're not directly involved. However, let's not forget the challenges. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, diligence, and a well-thought-out plan. It might take time to see the fruits of your labor, but the potential rewards make it worth the effort. So what's the takeaway? The power of passive income is immense. It's a game changer, and it's within your reach. Start exploring opportunities for passive income today. It could be investing in stocks, buying a rental property, or even starting a blog. Remember, the journey to earn passive income starts with a single step. With passive income, the dream of earning money while you sleep can become a reality. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the leap today and let passive income change your life.